Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be doing a lyric prank. So I'm gonna be doing that on about 2 or 3 of my friends. If you guys are interested in seeing this video, please continue watching. And guys, if you enjoy my content and you love my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a video. Also guys, if you are into gaming like Sims, I do have a Sims channel, so you can go check that out. I'll place it in the description down below. Well, it is in the description down below, so you guys can go over and subscribe to that channel as well for Sims content, because I love Sims. So yeah, anyways guys, let us get into the video. Let us look for a song. I was thinking of Adele, you know, and probably not go pick up that song because that song is an old song. So Hello by Adele, and it kind of have a starting to it, so you know. So I'm gonna start with that little part there and see if she picks up, you know. So hello, it's me, and let's wait. Hopefully she don't take a long time, but in the meantime, in between time, let me do another one in case, you know. Which other song would I like to do? I'm just choosing some random songs, guys. I must see. I'm trying to find like the best songs. I want to do about 3 persons, you know. Hello, yeah, me know. Yeah, I think that would be a good one, you know. Just dance and see like how long. I just want to know, you know, how long these people take, you know. They pick up, say I prank them. Alright, so I think I'm gonna make the next song, you know, Ariana's song, the new, you know, the new song will come out. Ariana and Justin stuff. Let us see. So it begins. I'm not one to stick around. 1 strike and you're out. Don't care if I sound crazy, but you never let me down. I must see, you know. Alright, so let me see. I'm gonna try somebody on. Let me see. I'm gonna try. I want to try it on the message thingy. So I'm gonna try Nikki. I'm also gonna, you know, erase hers. I'm gonna text her. I don't even know. Oh yes, there it is. And she is gonna be the next one. Alright, so I'm trying to, you know, target the persons with the iPhone so I can use this one so I don't have to go like too far. So this song is hers. I'm not one to stick around. 1 strike and you're out. I didn't even say hi, you know. Just going in. Just going in. And then I'm gonna take. So we got 1 response, but I'm gonna send out my other one first. I've had a little too much. Do I wanna? I think I wanna do We Don't Talk Anymore on her. we don't talk anymore on Nash. So I'm gonna be doing Taylor, Nash, and Nikki, my cousin. Guys, I love you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, so this song, we don't talk anymore. We don't. And then this is kind of perfect for Nash because we don't talk for like a week or so. So I don't want to send. I'm just gonna start it from the second verse. We don't talk anymore like we used to. Copy and let us paste to Nashara. Yes, guys. So let us send that message. All right. So Taylor answered and she said hi. So. So let's continue. I'm wondering how long she's gonna take, you know, to pick up that this is a song. I was wondering if after all these 10 years we'd like to meet to go over. I think she's gonna pick up because this is just weird. And this song you're singing. She's gonna pick up. I knew it. We don't love anymore. What was before? She picks up. I know she's gonna pick up. See, she already picked up. We can't manage this. No. This is a complete failure. So she takes this song you're singing. We don't love anymore. What was all that for? And Taylor looks like she's picking up as well. So she's, you know. So we're gonna go with more. See how long she takes. You know. They say that time's supposed to heal. Yeah. Come on. But I ain't done much healing. Copy. Let's see. This is too funny. All right, so Nash answered and she says all of what? So we're going to continue with this, guys. This is nice. All right, I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. The one you've been looking. So I'm gonna kind of, you know, fix it up. Looking for. Oh gosh, this is too much. And then, you know, let's see which one of them I'm gonna answer now. Hello, can you hear me? I feel like Taylor pick up. No, she pick up. I feel like she pick up. Yeah. Cause see it? She picks up, man. She picks up. Why you so smart? Alright, the Taylor found out, so hers is done. Taylor, man, you just sure. I'm so smart, girl. Okay, so she found out. She's with me. What kind of practice? Okay, we are talking about. Oh god, I'll confuse her even more. So let us continue with this one. I wish I would have known that wasn't me, because even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way you did so easily. I'm gonna go all in, man. See if she will actually wait actually pick up that I'm using a song. Alright, so Taylor said, why not play along? Wicked. So she find out long time and I play along. You see, she prank me next. This not right. Anyways, Nikki not answer me, so I don't know. If she answers later, then I'll actually film it, you know, and do it. Got it. Alright, so yeah. The rain. I know. All right, so let's see how I want. All right, let me see if I can find somebody else who uses a song you're fan. I'm not one to stick around. Let's see. Do I know anybody else that's iPhone? I don't know. Alright, so I'm just texting Shay in the meantime that I'm waiting on Nash. But yes, guys, she's taking a while to answer me. I'm gonna slap her. Alright, she's taking a while, but Nikki not answer me, so but yeah, that was a fail. Something that one was a fail. Nash one not too bad, you know. She actually feel like alright, so since she not answer, I'm gonna just, you know, send her next verse or something. This is definitely gonna get her. Alright, so I'm gonna skip out a lot of the verses and go down to this little part that says there must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think of you. Might want me to come show up at your. I'm just gonna do that little part there. Since she read me and she not answer me, so yeah. So she putting me on red. Nash, I'm going to kill you, you know. If she don't answer me, I'm gonna have to call her. But yeah, that was a fail. So Nash texts me otherwise. Oh gosh. She texts me otherwise, and yeah, I don't know how to respond. Cause me don't want to pick up two wells. Alright, I'ma just tell her it's a joke. Hello. Fine, it's a prank. She doesn't like me. She does. It's like she'll say, we are done with this foolishness, girl. We are done with this foolishness. But yes, guys, that was me failing at doing a lyric prank. Nah, work. But last one actually never too bad. It never gone too bad, you know. Never gone too bad. It actually went on for a while, or just for a few minutes, a few lines. But I got almost to the chorus, what do you call it? I did the chorus and started a verse, basically. So yeah, I did quite, yeah, but I'd call this a failure. So yeah, lyric prank fail. But anyways, guys, that is that. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of my lyric prank. I hope you guys enjoyed, even though it was a total fail. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Guys, if you have any suggestions of things you want me to do, I do have videos planned, but you know, because of the rain and corona, a lot of my videos have to do with, you know, filming with other people. So yeah, if you have any, you know, single video you'd like to see me do, just hit me up in the comments down below and tell me what you are thinking, guys. Alright, so again, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a video. Yeah. Alright guys, bye.